Hello from Inca Medical. I wanted to take a bit of time today to talk to you a little bit about how we can quickly and easily add important documents, images, or other files directly into your audit in real time. So let me show you what I mean. If we jump into the application and we pick a particular audit, you'll notice there are a couple of key things we can do at the high level of an audit. So at any point you're working within the audit, after you've worked with an audit, when an audit is just created, you can go in here and add attachments to your audit. So these will be attachments unique to this particular audit you've created. So you can simply go in there, browse your local system, and for example, perhaps drop an image of the facility you happen to be working in directly into the audit. You could also drop, for example, important documents related to the audit directly into the audit itself. And all of those will be associated immediately with this audit. And those documents can be viewed at any time simply by clicking on the attachments and seeing what information has been attached to this particular audit. You can, of course, also remove those at any time so that you no longer have that document associated with the audit. So that's if we wanted to associate some information or files directly with the top level of the audit. But we also have another really cool feature within the audit itself. So as you drive into your audit items, you'll notice on the right, we have this images capability. And the idea here is that if you're using an iPad or a phone, or if you happen to be taking images on your computer or happen to have images on your computer, you can automatically attach those directly to the audit, again, in real time. So if you were in an audit phase and you were working through a facility and you wanted to use your iPad to take a quick picture and attach it directly to the audit, you can do that from right here. So let me show you what I mean in this case on a laptop. We can click on the images button here, and you'll notice you can immediately browse and select the particular image you'd like to upload. And when you can see when you do that is we can go out here and simply add an image from our computer that we might like to include in the audit. Now you can add as many of these images to each audit line as you like. So for whatever particular audit line you're looking at that point, you can add an associated image to it that would be associated uniquely with that audit line. So that's just a couple of ways we can quickly add really important information to our audits and do that as the audit is taking place. So you don't have to fumble around with trying to add them later or copy them in or attach them at some future point. So that's all we have for this evening. At any time, please, of course, reach out and ask any questions. Thanks a lot.